Question that everybody kind of asks us, again, whether it's a window job, siding job, door job, decking job, whatever, is people, kind of how messy it's going to be. For a window job specifically, again, depends on the type of job that we're ultimately doing. One of the things we tell our clients is obviously we need access inside and outside to the windows. If we're doing a pocket replacement or a replacement style window, traditionally we're not touching your interior trim. So from the inside perspective, we're going to go and we're going to lay down some tarps. Any debris or anything like that, our guys vacuum it up and they kind of clean it up. Really minimal mess from the inside. We kind of keep everything clean. We kind of efficiently work through the house and kind of keep everything clean as we're going. Obviously from the outside, it's a little different because we are taking off capping. We are taking, a lot of times there is some rotted wood or things like that that's coming off the house. Then we've obviously got the window sashes and that. But window replacements are traditionally pretty quick. We're in your house a day to 3 or 4 days. We're putting down tarps, putting down plastic. From a efficiency standpoint or a mess standpoint, it's actually pretty clean, pretty quick. When we're doing full replacements, the main difference is we're obviously pulling off your exterior trim, we're pulling off your interior trim. So we are spending a little more time inside the house because we obviously have to pull off interior trim. We could have some paint chips. You obviously could have some cracking of some trim. Again, all that stuff we keep in a contained area, but at the same time, obviously, it's going to be a little messier than a replacement style. So all of our jobs, we're going to be properly tarping. Our guys are going to be using HEPA-Vax to clean everything up. So again, it shouldn't really be intrusive. And again, we work through the house pretty systematically, so we're going to get through the house pretty quick.